So I just want to show you how I finished the edge on this scarf. Now, as you can see, when you knit something, it naturally wants to roll that way. But what I've done is, in this design, is I've put a few rows of plain knitting at the beginning, and what that allows you to do is fold it over, and it gives a nice edge to fold back, so you can hem it back. So I'm going to hem that back, or I started to hem it back, and you can see the difference there. That's not trying to curl over, whereas if you look over here, Joey, that is curling over. That naturally wants to curl forward. But so all I've done is I'm just folding it back on that crease, and then on the back here, what I've done, I'm going into every single stitch. So I'm picking up the back of that stitch there, and that stitch there, and then I've done it a contrasting colour so you can see what I'm doing, but they're pretty hidden anyway, and you'll notice, look, it looks quite tidy even though I've done it in a contrasting colour. It's not shouting at you. And then so you're picking up one of those and then go through there. I'm not pulling it very tightly. Oh, got a little knot in there. There we go, pull that through. And I'm doing every single stitch, but you don't have to do every single stitch. You could do like every other stitch if you wanted. So I'm just going along there, and that's just those few plain rows at the beginning give you that nice edge to tuck back. I'll do a couple more stitches so you can see what I'm doing, and then I'll turn it over and show you the difference again. So just going through there and through there. Through there. Through there. It's nice and easy to do. It's a nice job to do, actually. Okay. And there we go. And what that gives you is it gives you a nice strong edge for the front of your scarf. So if you're using it as a headscarf or a neck scarf, it doesn't really matter. That gives you a nice, firm, strong leading edge. And as you can see, that's sitting flat, and that's what happens if you don't do that. It doesn't sit flat, it wants to curl. And this pattern is called my St. Ives scarf, and
Gorgeous Yarns.
It's available through Gorgeous Yarns. We'll put the link below, and it's available as a kit. So these are hand dyed yarns. It's Blueface Leicester. It's gorgeous, and it's specifically designed for people that want to learn to do fair isle knitting. So it's beginners of fair isle knitting, really. So it's nice and easy, nice easy pattern, and then just a few little rows of fair isle just to get you started. Okay, Joe, thank you very much.